delete the default cube, add in a cylinder, scale it down, switch to edit mode, select the top face, delete, select the top rim, extrude it to center, press F to fill, add a bunch of loop cuts, do the same thing for the other side, delete, select rim, extrude, fill, add loop cuts, add a subdivision modifier, duplicate it, move it up, scale it like a patty, move it down, add in a plane, move it up, subdivide 10 cuts, add collision for both the bun and patty, select the plane, add cloth modifier, shade smooth, play the animation, apply cloth modifier, duplicate the patty, move it up, add in another plane, move it up, subdivide, shade smooth, add cloth modifier, play the animation, add solidify modifier, set offset to 1, add in a UV sphere, select half of the sphere, delete, scale the top bun, so it looks like a hamburger bun, add a subdivision modifier, shade smooth, switch to shading tab, click new, add a color ramp, plug to base color, get a reddish color, add a gradient node, plug to color ramp, add mapping node and texture coordinate, set the Y rotation to 90 degrees, flip over the colors, change the white color to a lighter red color. Select the cheese and give it a yellow color. Select the patty and give it a brown color. Select the other cheese and give it a yellow color. Select the patty again and give it a brown color. Select the bottom bread and give it a red color.